Hello, this is your friend, your brother, your mentor, and your would-be mentor, Emmanuel Elonai, coming to you through my YouTube channel. Once again, if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon, like and share the video so that we can reach as many people as possible with one lead system pixel, the only system that pays you to learn. You learn, you get paid within the system. As you can see in my dashboard right there, I've earned myself $152 and going up, okay, in the system, because this is actually an amazing system. There is nothing that has been created online that can actually beat one lead system pixel. As you can see, everything is actually done for you. Okay, so what we do in one lead system pixel, we make use of our mega link, your Olsp mega link. Okay, Olsp system mega link. This is my system, so this is my link right here. So if I send someone this link, of course, after talking to them about what the system is all about, I send them the link like this one, and once they click on the link, like so, it will bring them here, and they just pop in their email address, and boom, they will actually become your downline in one lead system pixel, and you earn yourself some 5 great points with the system right there. So once again, if you find any problems within one lead system pixel, don't hesitate to go in the Facebook group, ask questions. You can ask anyone, and they'll be able to actually give you the answer that you need in the group. You can actually ask in this channel, and we'll be able to give you the answers that you need. As you might be aware, one lead system pixel is the only system whereby you can earn money without spending any money. So let me show you an example of what we are talking about. One example of my good friend Jeremy. Okay, so here we are. This is my good friend Jeremy George. Okay, 1 year ago I made my first $1K with Olsp. Since then I've made another $5,000 for a free affiliate program. I must say that's pretty sweet. Okay, 1 year ago, see your memories, new milestone, over $1,000 generated using a free system, $1,041.90 from over 50 separate sales using this free system. Some people will tell you that you have to spend money to make money, but this proves that you can actually make money online for free. Okay, if you want to learn more about the system, okay, there's a link that I'll leave down there. So this is what Jeremy has earned. Okay, lifetime earnings that time. Okay, this is a post for 2020. Okay, this is 1 year, 27th September. So with one lead system pixel, you can actually make money. You can make commissions even without investing any money into the system. This is the only system that pays you to learn. Okay, you can actually leverage the system to start earning commissions. Okay, once again, this is your friend, your brother, your mentor, and your would-be mentor, Emmanuel Elonai, coming to you with one lead system pixel, the only system that actually pays you to learn. Once again, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon, like and share the video, and let's actually crush this. Let's crush it so that we can earn. Okay, everybody needs money, but hey, money is not as important as you having or learning how to make it. Okay, you need to learn the skills of how to make money for you to actually enjoy the money, because whatever you do with the money, okay, you can invest using the same money. But if you don't learn to have discipline on money, it will be very difficult for you actually to sustain that money that will come through one lead system Pixel, the only system that pays you to learn. Once again, this is what I wanted to show you, that it is actually very possible, as you have seen here from our friend Jeremy George, okay, who shared a memory in the system about one lead system Pixel, that it's possible to make money without any investment within one lead system Pixel. It is the only system that pays you to learn, and the only system that doesn't need you to invest any amount of money to make money. Once again, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the bell notification icon, like and share the video. And if you have any questions about one lead system Pixel, whatever you don't understand within the system, you can actually drop me a question and I'll do a video specifically for you. If you want to be mentioned in the video, I'll do likewise. Thank you so very much for your time. For those of you that have subscribed to my channel, those of you that are watching my videos, I am humbled, and I want to appreciate you so very much for everything that you are doing, for the time that you are spending to watch my videos. I really thank you so very much, and indeed may God bless you. Bye-bye.